This is a brand new 2013 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory settings for the seat's position so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a power driver's seat, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side impact airbags, a pass-through rear seat, a push-button ignition, energy-absorbing front crumple zones, a power rear liftgate, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Wilde Toyota is located at 3225 South 108th Street in West Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.